All right, what up, folks? If you're watching this video, it's obviously because you want to learn how to add inches to your penis, right? Now, as a man, I can relate. It's totally understandable. There's no shame in that. We all want more, right? And the hard part is finding some shit that actually works that's also going to be safe for you. That's not easy to do because every single Tom, Dick, and Harry is swearing by a lot of dangerous methods and a lot of dangerous tools and instruments and shit that people are using on their dick that they should never ever be using. All right, now there is a way that actually works. I'm not going to give it away in this video. You have to click the link below this video. Watch this presentation that you're seeing on the screen right now. If you click the link below this video, it'll take you to this web page and you'll be able to watch the video for yourself and you'll see the only way, the only non-surgical way that actually works to increase the length and girth of your dick. There's only one way that is safe. There's a lot of different ways to extend your dick, right? That doesn't make it safe though. Everybody has about 2 inches buried in the root. Now, a lot of surgeries will uncover those 2 inches, but then the base of your dick isn't as stable as it used to be. And then there's lengtheners and stretchers, but a lot of those can cause permanent damage to your dick, and then you're worse off than you were when you first were trying to, to make your dick bigger. It's kind of counterproductive. A lot of these lengtheners, these tools, these stretching tools, and all that bullshit, don't use that shit. The pumps and all that stuff that's trying to make you bust blood vessels and these shrooming techniques and all that type of shit, don't do that. It's bad for your dick. You're better off just being the way that you are so that you can at least enjoy the sensation of having sex. So that you could at least, you know what I mean, use foreplay or something so that she gets hers and then you can get yours after. Whatever it might be, it's a lot better than breaking your dick because you will hate yourself after that even more than you might already. So just keep that shit in mind. Click the link below this video, watch the presentation. Um, you'll be asked a few questions so that everything is tailored specifically to what you want. Listen to what the guy has to say, man. This shit actually fucking works. It's scientifically proven, but the reason it's not popular is because it will put a lot of motherfuckers out of business. As you would understand, a lot of people are out here spreading misinformation. You know what I mean? And it needs to end. It needs to end. So if you found this video, you're one of the few lucky ones that are actually about to find some shit that really fucking works. All right, so I won't hold you up any longer. The video itself is kind of long. He goes through his story and tells you all that stuff, so I won't hold you up any longer. Click the link below this video to take you to this presentation and you'll be blown away. I promise. All right, thank you for watching the video. I hope you find exactly what you were looking for. Have a good one.